How to download and install Castle app on Android and iPhone. So if you want to download and install Castle app on your Android and iPhone, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store or your App Store. Now, once you're on your store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Castle. After searching for the Castle app, once you find the application, you need to just go and install it. But if you don't find the application, then there's another way. You can open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for Castle app. Once you find it, you need to go with install, which will be here on the right side, and tap on get, which is here. And that's it. Within a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your network connection, it will be installed. That's how you can download and install Castle app on your Android and iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.